don't wanna be a gadget. Clappy, but she got swallow that tablet. Way that she handled it, this time talented. Long from soaking, full of my back on ground on my fan of it, riding a bike one time and selling it. Hey yo, don't for working wonders, man, that's my picture coming. Yeah, best you know, you wanna fight your voice, you see them. You don't wanna see me on Snapchat, bad man. I don't wanna be your dude. How do I say about Steven? I just wanna see this. Say that back like a video vixen. This one, you don't wanna care. You wanna go low, just for the snack. If I'm getting the time, let's eat your food. Run on the road, it sets me 100 and show this. So I see it. Watch things, you don't wanna leave that squares no more. This is gonna be here, dude. Watch your hacking, not active, too short. Yeah, that's what I do.
Street for the real ones, where you at? Let's go!
Cash rolls everything around me, I'm about to agree like today say bro got a pack in the mouth, he's tracking gas as soon as it can say gap. He goes hand in hand with a rap tick, so we get bands and spin it on. You don't wanna fuck me on the first date, then get out of here cause I need you. I'm on a roll, I just hit 2 holes, that's 1 more goal and I got you. Take my sweet one, robbing, basket, posted up like where the gallon. Blacked out, Canada goose won't match it. Who's outside, it's me and them. Fuck the whole ceremony speech, I've done it myself, so feel like step in the club, let me see what go on. Tryna go, somebody's daughter. You don't keep laughing. Anytime I say bottle of water, she don't wanna pay for a BB. Oh, herself, she looking for someone to put a Lambo truck in course. Of course, I remember the whistle. Break her back like chiropractor, slapped it, making her eyes roll back. Waist still feeling her thighs so fat, take pics in the gym, but she like, oh, don't call me and talk about crime, I'm prank. I keep on thinking my iPhone. I'm grateful that I get by off rap, but I'm not gonna lie, I don't mind off. Cash rules everything around me, I'm about to green out today, say